Take 3. Hi there, guys and girls. Good evening. Good day to each every one of you. How are you all doing? I just got finished watching this one, Espantajo. You know what, guys and girls? I'm some kind of a speechless because this movie didn't meet my expectation when it comes on scare factor. But I love the story. I love their acting, and each character gave me this kind of fulfillment, especially Lorna Tolentino. Her role is really unpredictable and some kind of you didn't expect that she is that one. Now what I'm trying to say is I didn't expect that her role plays for that kind of performances, and it's a surprise role for her. It's her role is a surprise. It's some kind of a surprise. And Judy Ann, given the fact that she really her own acting, how do you call the thing? Acting, superb acting. Sorry. And Madame Chanda Romero is really awesome, powerful, fierce. I love her acting. The story is about the family and about the other family, and I'm expecting that Chitoronio will give me this kind of high level of screaming factor, and he will give me lots of terrifying scenes, but it's not. I only scream just once, but I love the story because there's lots of moral lessons, lots of what's this, values, and some of the scenes are predictable, and I just don't really love the entity that they created on this film because it's really a typical one. So I'm expecting that it will be a more original. And why is it that Chitoronio didn't think of any new creations, new scare factors for this film? I love the story, even though I love the running of the time frame, even though it's 1 hour and 30 minutes, because it's not boring and it's a fast pace as well. And the story also tackles about the pasyam, or we may call here in the Philippines, once somebody or someone who's close to you, or anyone here in the Philippines, that there will be for the Filipino culture, that there will be a prayers for 9 nights. And I love the cinematic effect of the crowd, the grasshoppers, the leeches, and other insects. And there's a loophole. There are some loopholes, especially when the 3 major characters went up to the mountain and get some. Actually, they are 4. Something to protect for themselves. Why is it that they don't get looks exhausted, look haggard, or look tired, even though the mountain is some kind of a high? So you know what I'm trying to say, guys and girls, that what's this? Hold on. That if you went up to the hill or in any forest,